mother. The other day I spoke about mothers. Some of you might have heard the talk. It was a Friday talk in Cape Town. You won't believe it. I got some hate mail, man, from people saying, how on earth would you ever say what you said? I said, I'm so happy and proud that I did, because normally I've spoken so many times on children and so on. I've spoken 2 or 3 times on mothers. What's the big deal? If anything, I probably didn't do justice to it. Just because I said you must respect them and be kind to them no matter what. What do you mean no matter what? I did make an exception. Go and listen to the talk. Don't come blame me. The reason I'm raising it here again tonight is because we have to talk about things. Just because it didn't fit in your example doesn't mean that I was wrong. Perhaps your unique situation may warrant something drastic, but that's not the norm, is it? So if I say something, if I say, guys, you've got to be kind to your parents and look after them, did I say something wrong? Not at all. But if your parent is an exception where they've been abusive and really toxic and so bad and you've had to go away from them to protect your sanity, and that's a different thing. That's an exception. I'm not going to be speaking, generalizing regarding exceptions. I'm going to generalize regarding the norm, what's happening. So if I were to tell you that you've got to be kind to this person and that person, and I did say you don't have to obey where they're telling you to do something wrong, or if they're being nasty, you can address the matter. But just be kind. Remember, that's your mother, that's your father, come what may. They could be the horriblest people on earth, but it doesn't give you the right to become nasty with them. You can step back, you can tell them, you can put your foot down, you can do whatever you have to. But the only thing is, go easy, be kind. Be kind. Allah chose that test for you.